And honestly, the absolute lowest that I expect Ethereum to go on this correction is once again the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, which right now is coming in at around 1550 approximately. And the all-important 61.8% Fibonacci level on the chart is coming in at around 1,550 US dollars. So yeah, if we break below that support at around 1730, those are the sort of prices I would expect for Ethereum. At around 1550 approximately, around 1540, somewhere around there, we've got the 61.8% Fibonacci level. That's going to be some massive support for Ethereum down around that price range. So yeah, if we do break down to the downside, that will be sort of the price areas that I'll be looking at for Ethereum. That line that I've got just here, this white line at 1550, once again, that's where Ethereum actually came back down to, around 1550. And honestly, I've been calling for that 1550 price target for Ethereum for over a week now. Ever since Ethereum was all the way back here above 1800 US dollars, I was saying if we were breaking these significant levels of support, we're almost definitely heading down towards 1550 US dollars. And that's because that's a massive Fibonacci level for Ethereum. Patience is key in crypto. Anytime we head sideways, especially for one of the big cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum, this is just a strong accumulation zone. And this is basically just coiling up the price ready for a massive surge to the upside. And right now we are seeing a similar thing. So seriously, for you Ethereum holders out there, just be patient. I myself, I'm actually accumulating Ethereum at these lower prices right now. And yeah, honestly, within the next month or so, I would honestly be expecting a massive move for Ethereum sometime soon. On the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, I've actually started to move some of my Bitcoin holdings into Ethereum. And that's basically me putting my money where my mouth is and betting on Ethereum starting to outperform Bitcoin over the next few weeks and months. Welcome back to the Crypto World channel, everyone. My name is Josh and this is the present day. And as you just saw in the intro of this video, my Ethereum price predictions have been playing out perfectly. And just over the past one day, Ethereum has finally broken into a new all-time high. So congratulations to all of the Ethereum holders out there. From this low where I told you all to buy Ethereum, right now we are up over 36% to the upside. And this is by far not the top yet. Ethereum is only just getting started. Ethereum versus Bitcoin is also surging to the upside as well, just like I was expecting. And Bitcoin is still actually in this tightening formation at the moment. And so if you want to find out where all of my next price targets and price predictions are for Bitcoin and Ethereum, then make sure you're watching this whole video all the way through so you're not missing out on any of this important information. If that intro wasn't enough reason to subscribe, I don't know what is. But yeah, if you go on to enjoy this video, please make sure to just leave a like on the video down below. And once again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of my future updates. Once again, I just really appreciate all of the support at the moment. And yeah, I just can't thank you guys enough. But yeah, with all of that out of the way, let's get straight to what this video is about. So right here, we're on the Bitcoin US dollar chart. We're on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin. And seriously, I know I said this yesterday, but honestly, right now, this Bitcoin breakout is absolutely imminent. It's like, honestly, by the time I post this video, even Bitcoin could be broken out. That's seriously how close we are to breaking support or resistance for Bitcoin. Honestly, we're just a matter of hours away for Bitcoin to see a decent move on the chart, whether it's up or down. Now, if you hide this sort of ascending resistance line just here, and if you kind of just go off the $60,000 level as resistance for Bitcoin, which is just a flat resistance level, obviously, then this type of pattern is an ascending triangle pattern, which is a bullish pattern, and it is more likely to break out to the upside. And the price target for if we see the break above 60,000 US dollars is the all-time high itself, coming in at approximately 62,000 US dollars. And seriously, if we break above 60,000 within the next couple days max, I would expect Bitcoin to get back up towards that all-time high at around 62K. But once again, as I just had drawn out earlier, something that we definitely have to remain cautious around is this possible rising wedge that is forming on the Bitcoin chart. As you can see here, we have been getting higher highs on the Bitcoin chart in the shorter term, and bringing out the RSI as well. The RSI has actually been cooling off, even though once again we have been getting higher highs. So we've been seeing a few small bearish divergences on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin, and also paired with the fact that Bitcoin is forming this rising wedge, which, by the way, a rising wedge is a bearish pattern. Those are two signs that actually are not too good for Bitcoin just in this short term. Once again, when you zoom out to like the daily chart and look at the bigger picture, Bitcoin is still in a massive bull run. So if anything, a short-term little dip like this would be a great buying opportunity for everyone out there. But yeah, if this does end up playing out as a falling wedge pattern, and if we do break this support, which by the way, the support is coming in at approximately 59,000. So if we kind of start breaking down towards 58.5 and lower than that, then yeah, that's where this falling wedge pattern will play out. And the price target for the falling wedge is simply at the bottom of the wedge at this support just here, which is coming in at approximately 57,000 US dollars. That would be my next price target if we broke that support. And once again, pay attention for the volume to come in on the chart to confirm if the breakout is real or not. And yeah, these type of patterns can be traded either way. Once again, a falling wedge pattern is a bearish pattern, so it's more likely to break to the downside, but a ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern and is more likely to break to the upside. So yeah, depending really on how you actually look at the chart at the moment, we do have contradicting views on the chart. So really, it is actually difficult to say whether we're going to go straight to the upside or straight to the downside in the immediate short term. But whatever happens, we can trade this either way. Once again, we can buy on the breakout to the upside if we do get that confirmation of the breakout above 60,000 with some big volume coming in. Once again, if we see that breakout to the upside, around 62K is where I will be targeting. But if we start breaking below this support, once again at around 58.5, with of course some decent volume coming in on the chart as well, then yeah, I'll be targeting around 57K once again, and that would be where I would be accumulating more Bitcoin if I haven't already. Like, let's go to the daily chart, for example. When you actually zoom out, Bitcoin is still in this massive bull run, and my longer term price analysis still pretty much remains the same for Bitcoin. And as I mentioned in my last video, once we really smash through the all-time high for Bitcoin, my next massive price targets to the upside, first of all, at around 70,000, we do have the 1618 Fibonacci level, once again coming in at around 70,000 US dollars. So expect a bit of resistance at around that area. But realistically, over the next few months, obviously after Bitcoin breaks above the all-time high, I would then expect Bitcoin to start actually making its way towards 80,000 US dollars, which is my next massive price target for Bitcoin, once again within the next couple months. So simply just dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin at the current prices, if you're holding just for the next few months, seriously, right now, considering the fact that we're still actually below the all-time high, this is a decent buying in area for Bitcoin. And yeah, we've been consolidating really for quite a while now on the Bitcoin chart. So seriously, within the next 1 to 2 months max, I would be expecting another massive move for Bitcoin. And considering the fact that we're still obviously in a bull market, it is incredibly likely that that move is to the upside. All right, now hopping over to the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. This is on the 4-hour chart for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And as you've seen on this channel, and as you saw in just the intro of this video, I was making videos about Ethereum on this Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart down at this bottom just here, telling you that this is probably the bottom for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And I actually let you all know that I transferred some of my Bitcoin holdings into Ethereum at this bottom just here, because once again, I was betting on the price of Ethereum going up against Bitcoin, and obviously that has played out perfectly on the chart. Ever since I made that transfer from my Bitcoin into Ethereum, Ethereum has essentially just exploded to the upside against Bitcoin. So yeah, once again, congrats to all of my loyal subscribers out there that have been watching my videos all the way through and following me on these epic trades and these epic price predictions. And once again, Ethereum is only just getting started here. We are only just entering the next uptrend, in my opinion. Over the next few weeks or so, I would expect Ethereum to actually start making its way up towards these highs just up here on the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, which by the way, from the current price where Ethereum is sitting at right now, is still around a 30% gain to the upside. And once again, that gain is against Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin's gaining against US dollars, once again, if Ethereum is gaining 30% against Bitcoin, you're going to be making even more money in actual dollar value. So definitely Ethereum is where it's at right now. And once again, I put my money where my mouth is. I actually transferred a lot of my Bitcoin into Ethereum down at this bottom just here. And I told you all that this was the bottom for Ethereum. And yeah, right now I'm still holding my position strong. I haven't actually changed anything at all in terms of my positions. And yeah, I just continue to expect Ethereum to continue to the upside against Bitcoin over the next few weeks. And considering the fact that we broke above this high just here, once again coming in at around 0.035 Bitcoin per Ethereum, that's actually pretty bullish, because that obviously means Ethereum is now starting to make higher highs on the chart, which which is another massive sign that we are actually starting the next uptrend for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And switching over to the Ethereum to US dollar chart, this is on the 4-hour chart for Ethereum versus the US dollar. And the talk in crypto at the moment is obviously about the fact that Ethereum has smashed through its all-time high to the upside. The old all-time high for Ethereum was sitting at approximately 2,040 US dollars, and I was letting you know on the channel ever since Ethereum was at around 1,500 that Ethereum is likely to break above the all-time high within the next couple of weeks, and once again that has played out just perfectly. And right now we are sitting in new all-time highs for Ethereum. So all of you patient holders of Ethereum out there, if you've just simply had patience like I've been saying over my last few videos on the channel, then yeah, right now you are getting rewarded for your patience in Ethereum. And yeah, now that we have broken above the all-time high, technically the all-time high is now flipped as support. So it's incredibly important that Ethereum now holds that 2040 level as support. We didn't get any massive spike in volume, to be honest, so that is something to be careful for. And yeah, I'll mainly be paying attention to that old all-time high level once again at around $2,040. And yeah, if Ethereum comes back to retest that level, that would be actually really great to see that, because once again that would be confirming that the breakout into a new all-time high is real. And once we actually get confirmation of this breakout to the upside, my next massive price target to the upside is the $2,500 level for Ethereum. And that's because that's the next massive Fibonacci level, once again coming in at around 2.5k per Ethereum. That's the 1618 Fibonacci level. But yeah, really my analysis hasn't changed much over the past couple days for Ethereum. So if you want to see more in-depth analysis, check out my last couple videos that I posted on the channel. Now quickly heading over to the Bitcoin dominance chart. This shows the dominance that Bitcoin has over the entire crypto market cap. And I recorded my video just yesterday when Bitcoin was battling this support level, and I let you all know that Bitcoin is potentially about to break below this support level. And if that happens, that means the altcoins are going to start exploding and we could potentially enter the next altcoin season. And right now this is already playing out, as I said in my video just yesterday. The Bitcoin dominance has broken this support level, and right now we are actually retesting these levels just here. And yeah, over the past 24 hours, a lot of the altcoins have actually exploded, including obviously Ethereum breaking into new all-time highs. And once again, I let you all know this information yesterday on the channel. And yeah, so definitely pay attention for these lows coming in at approximately 57% dominance. And seriously, if we start breaking below 57%, then really the next big price target is these lows down here at around 52%. But if we actually see a break of that 57% level for the Bitcoin dominance, then seriously, that will spark an altcoin season, and a lot of your altcoins that you're holding, including Ethereum, will start exploding to the upside. And over the next few days, I will start including more altcoins in my videos as well. So make sure you're suggesting some of your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below. And I still have not forgotten about that video that I said I would make, talking about some of the smaller altcoins that I actually hold in my portfolio that I expect to have some huge gains. So definitely stay tuned for that video, and make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on so that you do not miss that important video. But yeah, this is about all I have to say for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure to just leave a like on the video down below. And once again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on for more videos like this one. I try and put as much valuable information into these videos as possible to try and help you make money in crypto. So yeah, if you could just spend a couple seconds to go down and click like and subscribe, once again, it seriously means a lot to me and it helps out the channel so much. And once again, if you have any suggestions, feedback, or questions for me in the comment section, just yeah, leave a comment in the comment section down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Just be careful, because in the comment section sometimes there can be some scammers down there. So if you see any comment or reply down there in the comment section with like a phone number, email, Telegram, WhatsApp, any sort of contact detail like that, please stay away from those comments, because they are scam comments. I try and delete them whenever I see them, but they're pretty much always coming in and I'm not always online. So yeah, if you see any comment down there with those sort of contact details in the comments, then it's incredibly likely that that is a scam comment, and please just stay away from those comments that you find down below. But once again, that's just about all I have to say for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.